So I'd like to begin today's session by introducing the support available for wages and incomes through the Coronavirus Job Retention Scheme and the Self-Employment Income Support Scheme. You can claim for 80% of your employee's wages plus any employer national insurance and pension contributions if you have put them on furlough because of coronavirus. All employers are eligible to claim under the scheme. This is a temporary scheme in place for 4 months, starting from the 1st of March 2020. It may be extended if necessary, and employers can use this scheme anytime during this period. You can claim for employees on any type of employment contract, including full-time, part-time, agency, flexible, or 0-hour contracts. As well as employees, the grant can be claimed for other groups if they are paid via PAYE, including company directors. Dividends are not covered by the Coronavirus Job Retention Scheme. A calculator is available on gov.uk and can be used to work out what you can claim for most employees who are paid either regular or variable amounts each pay period. Then use the online service to claim for your employees' wages. The service is simple to use. Once you've claimed, you'll get a claim reference number. HMRC will then check that your claim is correct and pay the claim amount into your bank account within 6 working days. If you are self-employed or a member of a partnership, you may be able to claim a grant through the Self-Employment Income Support Scheme. The scheme will allow you to claim a taxable grant of 80% of your average monthly trading profits, paid out in a single instalment covering 3 months and capped at £7,500 altogether. The scheme is open to those where the majority of their income comes from self-employment and who have profits of less than £50,000. If you receive the grant, you can continue to work, start a new trade, or take on other employment, including voluntary work or duties as an armed forces reservist. The grant will be subject to income tax and self-employed national insurance. This is a temporary scheme, but it may be extended. You can use our online tool to find out if you're eligible to make a claim. Your tax agent or advisor can also use the online tool on your behalf. If you're eligible, you get a taxable grant based on your average trading profit over the 3 years, 2016 to 2017, 2017 to 2018, and 2018 to 2019. This week, HMRC will start contacting customers who may be eligible based on the information they provided in their 2018 to 2019 tax return via email, SMS, or letter. A new online eligibility checker tool is now available. You can use it to find out if you're eligible to make a claim. If you are eligible, the tool will tell you the date you'll be able to make a claim from and ask you to add your contact details. If you'd like more information on these schemes, detailed HMRC videos and webinars on the Coronavirus Job Retention Scheme, Self-Employment Income Support Scheme, and Statutory Sick Pay Rebate Scheme are available. Search help and support if your business is affected by coronavirus on gov.uk to find out more. I'll begin today with some of the most popular questions on the Coronavirus Job Retention Scheme. The most popular question we have received is, when will I receive payment for my furloughed employees? If you already made a claim, payment takes 6 working days from when the claim is submitted. Please do not call HMRC to chase payment, as they will not be able to update you before the 6 working days have ended. It will automatically be sent to the bank account you nominated in your claim. If you have not yet made a claim, you can still claim online for a grant of up to 80% of your furloughed employees' salaries, up to a maximum of £2,500 per employee per month. You will receive the funds 6 working days after your claim, provided your claim matches records that we hold for your PAYE scheme. We've also been asked Can the scheme be used to support a reduction in staff working hours instead of a complete furlough? The answer, I'm afraid, to that is no. A furloughed employee will not be able to carry out any work for their current employer whilst furloughed to be eligible for this scheme. An employee cannot be partly furloughed and work reduced hours or for reduced pay. We've also had a number of questions on company directors and furlough. An attendees asked, can a furloughed company director whose salary is paid through PAYE continue to fulfil their statutory duties whilst on furlough? A company director paid through PAYE are furloughed as employees and not directors. Where furloughed, directors need to carry out particular duties to fulfil their statutory obligations they owe to their company. They may do so, provided they do no more than what would be judged reasonably necessary for the purposes. We've also been asked if a director of a limited company who is not classed as a PAYE employee of their own business can access the Coronavirus Job Retention Scheme. The answer to that is the Job Retention Scheme is only accessible to those that are on the employee's PAYE scheme as of the 19th of March 2020. Moving on, we now have some questions on support for those in self-employment. Questioner raised the questions asking what business support is available to the self-employed and what are the criteria for eligibility for this support. Well, you can check your eligibility for business support, including the Self-Employment Income Support Scheme, using our online tool. You'll need just your national insurance number and self-assessment unique taxpayer reference. Another question on this we've had is, when will I receive payment from the Self-Employment Income Support Scheme? Well, this grant will be paid in a single instalment covering 3 months. The online service will be available from the 13th of May 2020. If you're eligible, you will be told the date you can make your claim from. If your claim is approved, you receive your payment within 6 working days. Another question we've had is, why is a company director paying themselves dividends and not using PAYE not eligible for the Self-Employment Income Support Scheme? The answer to that is the Self-Employment Income Support Scheme is open to anyone who reports trading profits through income tax self-assessment. Self-employed individuals who work through a company do not report their trading profits in this way. In addition, dividend income is not eligible for support through the Coronavirus Job Retention Scheme. Income from dividends is a return on investment in the company rather than wages and is not eligible for support.